Yeah. Let's go on a serious business, please. Today, good evening, please. As you are coming, just share and stay, because today I'm going to call. I've gathered some number. People have been asking how we are going to get to the grassroots. So today I'm going to do some short video to tell you how we are going to get to the grassroots to pick our state and our country back. Because you know, I'm interested to take it back because I want my state and my country to become the best. So this is what we are going to do. That's why I'm just doing this short video to show you what we are going to do. Please just stay and watch, okay? Please, let's just join hands together and share this video, please, because I'm going to do something for people to see, to know how we are going to get to the grassroots of taking our country back from these evil people. Because these evil people, if we don't do whatever they don't expect, we are not going to get another result. So we have to do what they don't expect, and we will do the best of what we can do to reach our people. Everybody is our people. Anybody from Nigeria is our people. So this is what I just try to do. So I gather some numbers from people from around. So right now I want to try to call them for our present to see how we get to grassroots. You understand? So more they see how we get to grassroots, what we tell them to confuse, what we try to tell them, you know, what they have to do, because a lot of them believe in money. So we have to, this is what we do. So just keep like 10-20 minutes to stay with us, I beg, and share the video, I beg. Very important, please. But let me call the first number. See, my Nigeria number. So this is how we go. Got to do this. Everybody have to do this, you know. People we never felt talk to before, trying their number, try. More just do on phone to phone, so that make them know, say, man, we ready. Talk to our people. Every day they don't know, every day they don't know. If you don't let them know, they don't go know. So this is our state. Let's do this together. You understand? So I just, you know, to just tell people, say, this is what we do. I tell you now, we have to call people. Hey, pardon. Hey, pardon, domo. Hey, pa. I make a network why I'm having anyway. Hey, pardon, meno. Meno, pa. Party, na me. I make a network here, I'm having anyway. Mommy, this one we dey talk. Network never they good. 2, 4, 8, 0, 8, 1, 8, 1, 6, 2, 4, 1, 0, 0, 7, 7. Man, this is how we do, man. We just try to get to the grassroots. So just try to do this, man. Call people from home. Call your brother. Call your sister. Call your friends. Call your long-time friends. Find their number. Call your long-time brothers. Find their number in this town. This is how we roll. Just try to do this, man. Their network, or they not get battery. They will call, get a lot of number to call, a lot. 3, 4, 8, 0, 8, 1, 5, 3.
Yeah.
5, please, I don't need noise, please. I don't need noise, please. 5, 3.
Oh, okay, sorry.
5, 3, 4, 3, 8, 8, 7. Man, this is how we get to grassroots, man. We call people, we tell them what's up, about AAC, what's happened. 0, 0, 2, 3, 4, 8, 1, 5, 3, 4, 4, 3, 8, 8, 7. Okay. And now connect them. So please, my brothers and sisters, please, let's do this, okay? Let's call people, let's phone people. Let's get to the grassroots, man. This is how we go. See, I just they call them, just talk to them. You'll see. Some days when they say they need money, we need to converse them, we need to talk to them, we need to tell them the reality life. We need to tell some people who say before they call people believe. They're not going to carry because maybe they're not allowed to say me and they're like plugging phone for somewhere. Hello, bros. Hello, bros, man. Yeah, bros. When you back with bros, I do. Say you not call you. I can't call you whether or not. So say I call you the other day. So network not clear. Okay, Amero. Okay. I do. Ogo evun eya. Afa a party ni ga ma we ni. So this Sunday yan ga ro gida. Yan ga ro wa wo gida this Sunday. So we are ya get like 3 people raining and do me wo ya. I some of our party member from the local government. Yan ga ro gida this Sunday. Wa ko e. Megin ade yan ga re wa ni wa ko yan ga re meeting ni wa ko e. All women, all wawani. I know now, say ni ana dey now. Me call Joanne. So me I call Oya, me call Oya now to tell them we are get where. So after then we will know the next thing. So for them to tell you about the party, so that people should know if you are interested to work with the party. It's not a party to share money. It's a party to give the light that we see in Europe to Nigeria, to Edo State. So we are ready to take our country back, and we need to take it back sincerely. So then we still try to talk to people. So we are ready back where? Domo. 11 years old, we are in the Yahamawe. The way we are trying, we are ready, we are finishing them. You have to call you where you self. You have to call you where the missing. And I come away and I walk to now. Okay, now no problem. Try no way. Anybody? May you let me know. May you come here. May you be one of the people who go coordinate that area. I understand. So this is time for we to work to take our country back. This is time for we to say a no for nonsense, no for bad road, no for no school. Please, okay. Sincere, we need sincere people to do sincere job. Okay, papi, no more. Okay, na gbo we yo pa no ma ka eri Nigeria ka no ma omana. Okay. This is what we do, man. This is how we roll. We converse people, we talk to people, we change people's mind, we tell them the truth. We tell them our state, our country, how we live here. That's how we roll, man. We just try to do this. Let me call somebody else again. 00 2 3 4 8 1 6 2 4 1 0 0 7 7. Yeah, this is all we do, man. We just try to do this to just let people know about AAC, for people to know that this is time for we to take it back. Because last time we do this election, more election war in Europe, we support him, he win the vote. So we promise him the grassroots. This is what we are doing to get up the grassroots. Just call people, call your friends, look for your old time friends, look for people who say you never even believe say you feel here from. Hello. Pardon. I did my brother. I do, don't want. Yeah. Even if I'm aware we might without a network, better I call it direct to line. You understand? So, but he call it Joanne. So he come when you can hear there because you get like 3 delegates or 4 delegates. You understand? Yeah, make another visit to where we come and get him again. Say, I need understand. Then you go where you go and the party ni can ni making out in Nigeria even me. You can know say when I can say, boy, me I am you this to 30 people. We are just talking to people, spirit to spirit, face to face. And I don't say campaign. No do I wave umbrella or do I wave where we make it go you know. So we are talking to everywhere. No, everybody in Europe is doing this. Everybody in Europe is trying to do this to let them to reach your family, to talk to them, so to let them know, brothers and sisters, that it's time to take it back. It's time we have to stop the nonsense. It's time we have to try to make our state the best state in the world, brother, because it can happen. Because we were over ni or see and I mean we in how we soon it cannot happen. We know how the things work, and when we come back to take our country, it's for the peace of you people, my brother. I understand. Because that make us they cry, because we they see everything clear, we they know everything clear, we they watch the news, we they see everything. And you see, and that's why we they tell and say, I beg anybody we know say you get anything we want to do, make for him to know say if for this our generation, now our state was better, now our country for better, make we foresee enjoy if we hold, make we foresee go pension. You understand? So now that be the plan. So now a very clear party for the people. If you dey YouTube, you go check our AAC every day. They see for YouTube anything. They go everywhere. They go all the country. They campaign. You understand? So I beg Baba one. They go there tomorrow. I beg. Okay, now domo. Okay, Baba. Man, this is how we roll, man. This is how we roll. We just try to converse people. We just try to. They're talking of how we're going to get to grassroots. We are the grassroots, man. We don't far from grassroots. We need to do something different. They never see this kind of election. They never see this kind of campaign. This is the kind of campaign they never see. This is the kind of campaign they never expect. So if we are telling you we are going to take it back, we are going to take it back. It's not by fight. It's by technology, by whatever you know. Just use it. Any way you can get to your people, try it. 003480. Who they do this one? 00234 80 89 02. Man, my brothers and sister, just dey share am abeg. Dey share these things. See, and na so we dey do am. So I just switch off. So my brothers and sisters, please, let's try and take our country back. Let's try and canvass people. Let's try and talk to them. Let's try and see whatever we can do to make this easy for us. You understand? Okay. So this is how we roll, man. We look for numbers, we call people, give me this number, we talk to them directly. Television no wan carry AAC program because why? We no fit pay. You understand? We cannot pay for television, we cannot pay for newspaper, but we have the biggest television and newspaper and air. This is how we roll, this is what we can do, man. You understand? Man, the ring, they know they gree dey pick. Nigeria. I say they be, no like, maybe plug am for somewhere. A lot of them no like. You see, this is why we can take it back. How your day like no day, you no fit plug your phone. See, a lot of people dey, that's what they do every day. You understand? Just to tell you, we try to organize ourselves, we try to meet up, we try to get to the grassroots. This is how we can get to the grassroots in our state, mostly Edo State. This is what we can do. Just call people, let people know about it, let people know what's up about it. You understand? Let people know that yes, AAC is coming. Because they have been showing them PDP, APC, PDP, APC, PDP, APC. That's what all the telestation is showing these people. So this is what I do. I just try to show you some stuff you can do. Call people, gather them. You just call your friends, say, man, okay, Mona join like this. I bet make some delegate, go see them. You understand? Share poster with them. Then from there, get some of people wey go fit see work under coordinator for that your street. Let's start to do this thing house to house. You understand? So that's what I just try. I do this thing. I tell now with the roll. I will tell they get to grassroots. Just they make call every seconds, every time, because we don't want get and clear. We don't want make sure say 2019 be our whole turn to rule that country, to take that country to success. You understand? So we just try. We won't call us people and that's I mean personally. And they call people like this. I know they call them say, call the resident say, nah, so something go come. No, and they tell them the truth. It is time to work. It is time to see something. It is time to do something. It is time to get up for the children who will never born. Because only one we don't born, so we don't say they don't born. It is time to get up to see, say tomorrow the country good. So I know they try to tell them, say, God no money. No, forget. Waiting. We get different things to do. You understand? We get different things to do and we get different way to act. And we get different way to, different role to play to take our back. So now you'll be the message. Just tell you people, this is what we do to take it back. Just get to grassroots. Call people. Gather them. Call 10, 20 people. Gather them. You understand? Just see arrange them. Tell them, say, my mother meet so place, so place, so place. You know, from there, so 20 don't hear and maybe 50 go here in 2 days, 3 days, 80 go here. And then the next thing we need to do, we need to start to put poster for our street to street. Let everybody start to the fix poster to street. Just give money to your junior brother, print AAC poster. Fix them for where the fix poster put for all your streets. More pets there, don't stay with AAC. That's how we are going to take it back. Let every state make sure say everybody where in Europe, make sure say donate to this poster of a team. If na face cap, just say and go give your brother so you know say may they organize yourself. Not say even though you not send money, make sure say posters. Just say print 100 poster for your area. Print 50 poster for your area and 10 euros or 20 euro for 50. Just print 50 for your area. Print 100 for your area. Print 60 for your area. Print 10 for your area. You know, more just join us together. More take our country back. You know, we really love to take that country back because that country a very good thing. When we say, man, if we take them back for this our generation, our name will remain forever. Our old people go they talk and say, you get where the cost Nigeria suffer reach. You get some generation when they come, they stop them. And we go day one of those generation. And if we see their life, we see they tell them the story. You understand? So now I say, man, I tell you, this is what we do, man. I love you guys. I love my fans. I love my people. Please, if you are watching me here, you are around Jenny. On the 10th, I'm going to be live and direct in Jenny. Please be there. Araba Gang Night, Osuna Bronx. That's the city. So go and show me some love. I'm going to be the MC of that great Araba Gang Night event. Different artists they there. That's what they do. And that one they give us food. This one is free. You understand? We need to talk about what they pay us. Now because if they come out like this, as many people not do, and many artists not do, and based on the risk then we know say man forget. Without people not happy, if people not happy, you don't feel happy because where they for the fight war, they know they do comedy. You understand? Where they for the fight war, they know they sing music. Where they for the fight war, they know they sing, they know they dance. That's so they be. So maybe the thing not always go to war. And because this is excuse our time till they come out, cause they gist people like this, cause they try to make things they happen in different good government we want. Because only government might be the problem for Nigeria. If we change the government, the thing go dey okay. One love. I love you guys.